Hi guys, this is Akshata Pillai and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon beside so that you never miss any of the new videos. So in this video, I'll be making realistic eye drawing. So here I've taken A4 size drawing book, and also I'll be taking blender and a normal pencil. If you have shading pencils, it's good, but if you don't have, you can even use the normal pencil. Here I am making a very light sketch so that after that I can darken it, and also I am making light sketch because I can rub easily if there are any mistakes in making. Guys, so this is the sketch and I'll darken it, and after that I'll start with the shading. So for shading I'm using blending stump. If you don't have blending stump, no need to worry, you can even use cotton or earbud. So now we are on the verge of completing the realistic eye sketch, and I made it by seeing the original photo of eye, and for me it looks very realistic and original. I don't know about you, so please comment down and tell me how was this artwork, and did you really enjoy watching this video tutorial, because many of you guys were requesting for making a tutorial on the sketches which I make. So I took time for this one. Though I have my college, I still managed somehow to make this tutorial video. I hope you really enjoy watching it. So that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it. See you in the next one. Bye.